What's up, everybody? Shotguns and mud mowers here. Let me get my glove back on. Alright. The only thing that sucks about recording with a phone. Alright. In this video, you may remember my neighbors. They yelled at me for shooting an old t-shirt that I had a while ago. So as you can see, the driveway is way over there. And my snowblower, I can put snow into their driveway. You're gonna need a Honda to do it though. Alright, here we go. Well, you've seen it. The snowblower can put snow all the way down there. It's quite the machine. For $3 fucking grand, it better be. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.